friends, how are you? How's your life going on? Today we are going to talk narration, interrogative sentences. Okay, so first of all, we will pay attention to interrogative sentence in narration. Okay, she said to hurry. Are you a student? Okay. She said to hurry, are you a student? Okay. This is an interrogative sentence. Okay. So she asked Hari if, okay, in previous lecture we paid attention to some formula, first, second and third. Okay, you, it is a second person, it requires object. If he was a student, she asked Hari if he was a student. Okay, said to will be converted into asked. Okay, and the connector will be if or whether. Okay, I used if. Okay, this is present. Okay, we converted it into past tense. Okay, she asked Hari if he was a student. Okay. Ram said to Mohan, can you help me in my work? Can you help me in my work? Ram said to Mohan, can you help me in my work? Okay. So it will be Ram asked Mohan if you, second person, it requires object Mohan. Okay, if he could help now me, him in his work. Ram asked Mohan if he could help him in her work. Okay, in his work. Ram asked Mohan if he could help him in his work. Right? Said to, we converted it into asked. Okay, can will be converted into could. Okay, you, he, me, him in his work. Right? Next. Ram said to Sita, will you go to school tomorrow? Will you go to school tomorrow? Ram said to Sita, will you go to school tomorrow? Okay. So Ram asked Sita. Okay, we can write here, when will you go to? Okay, when will you go to school tomorrow? Okay, Ram asked Sita. Now we are having WH. Okay, So if you talk about the connector WH ही इसमें अपने आप करेक्टर होगा when okay she you second person it requires object okay object Sita when she would go to school tomorrow okay when she would go to school the next day okay so Ram asked Sita when she would go to school the next day okay once again we pay attention said to it is converted into asked okay WH it will be character here okay will it will be changed into would now tomorrow will be changed into the next day the next day okay so there are some words okay so we pay attention direct and indirect direct and indirect this that these those now then ago before today that day yesterday the previous day tomorrow the next day tonight that night here there here there okay this okay this that these those now then ago before today that day yesterday the previous day tomorrow the next day tonight that night here there hither thither okay next just then okay and we can write here hands dance okay so टाइम संबंधित और दूरी संबंधित ओके ये चेंजेस हैं जस्ट देन में दिस दैट में दीज दोस में नाउ देन में अगो बिफोर में टुडे दैट डे yesterday the previous day tomorrow the next day tonight that night here there hither thither hence then okay so we will take an example now you said to me I went to school yesterday You said to me, I went to school yesterday. Okay. Now you told me that you you told me that you had gone to school the previous day. Okay. You told me that you had gone to school the previous day. Okay. Here, yesterday, we changed it into the previous day. Okay. So the according to it, okay, according to some rules and regulations, we converted yesterday, okay, the previous date. Okay. Next, we were talking about interrogative sentence. Okay. Next, he said to me, do you have Sita? Okay. He said to me, do you have Sita? Okay. Once again, said to will be converted into asked. He asked me if I had Sita. Okay. He asked me if I had Sita. Okay. Next, Vimla said to Hari, did you write a story? Did you write a story? So, Vimla asked Hari. Now, he, now did will be changed into this tense will be changed into had. He, if he had written a story. Okay. Vimla asked Hari if he had written a story. Okay. Next, one more example. Mohan said, why were they late? Why were they late? Okay. So how to convert? Mohan asked why. Okay. In WH sentence, okay, I told you, okay, WH will be connected. Okay. Why were they late? Okay. Now according to some formula, first person, second person, and third person. Okay. They third person, so no change. Why they had been late. Okay. Why they had been late. Right. So Mohan asked why they had been late. Okay. So friends, today we pay attention to interrogative sentences. Okay. Interrogative sentence. The connector will be if. Okay. And if we talk about WH sentences, okay, WH sentence will be playing the role of connector. Okay. If we talk about set to will be converted into asked. Okay. We can use connector if or whether. Okay. We used if here. Okay. In WH we use WH. Right. So this is all about narration, interrogative sentences. Okay, I hope you would enjoy this video. I hope you must have got knowledge. Okay, thank you very much.